Welcome to our student loan repayment checklist video. This is a crucial guide for those who are grappling with student loans. The first step in this journey is identifying your loan servicer. Over the past 2 years, many loans have been transferred between servicers. To find yours, you can log into the student aid website or dial 1-800-433-3243. A link to the student aid website can be found in the description of this video. Next, ensure that your contact information is up to date. It's a simple yet crucial step to stay informed about your loan status. The third step is to verify that your loan balances are accurate. If you find any discrepancies, don't hesitate to reach out to your loan servicer. A common mistake is to view your student loans in isolation. This could cost you significantly in the long run. Instead, construct a comprehensive financial plan that includes both short-term and long-term goals. For instance, using Fitbucks's technology, you can see the impact of paying off your loans on your ability to buy a house. Step 5 is about comparing your options. Assess the implications of paying off your loans against using an income-driven repayment plan or opting for public service loan forgiveness. A well-structured financial plan allows you to swap one plan for another swiftly and see the short and long-term effects side by side. Finally, implement your plan. If you choose to pay off your loans, consider refinancing. Fitbucks can help you compare different lenders and ensure your prepayments are applied to the correct loan. If you opt for an income-driven repayment plan like IBR, Pay, or Save, it's important to save enough for the tax liability when your loans are forgiven. Fitbucks can help you incorporate this into your plan and help you decide the best way to save, whether in a taxable account or a Roth IRA. Remember, if you are married and using an income-driven repayment plan, you'll have to decide whether filing taxes separately or jointly is best for you. If you're pursuing PSLF, ensure you submit your PSLF certification form each year. In conclusion, managing student loans can be a complex process, but with the right plan and guidance, it's entirely manageable. Fitbucks is here to help you navigate this journey so you can focus on what matters most, your financial freedom.